Welcome to the Unity Code, a proven path to a peace-filled home, security, and lasting joy. Let's take a quick look inside. The Unity Code is a cornerstone course within the Harmony Blueprint, the system designed to unlock the keys to life's greatest symphony of relational wholeness. Here we transform perceived battlegrounds into building grounds. You'll learn practical ways to reframe siblings and screens, turning moments of conflict into opportunities for growth and connection. Proven, refined, transformational, and ready to unlock your family's potential. Tap the link in our profile to explore the full walkthrough and receive our free gift for you.